up? What's up? It's Christine Horn with the Booking Magnet Academy. Look, I've been getting a ton of questions about this academy, so I wanted to take you behind the scenes so you can see what it's all about. The Booking Magnet Academy is the #1 virtual training center for actors who want to master the strategies to book starring roles in film and television on a consistent basis. So when you come on over to bookingmagnetacademy.com, you're going to see all the information about how to join. Scroll down. It's a 2-step easy process. But let me take you behind the scenes. So when you actually log in, the moment you log in, you have access to all of the trainings in our student portal. So you log in, there's a great welcome message for me right there. It's going to welcome you immediately in. It's going to tell you how to make the most out of your membership. As you'll see on the sales page, our training is broken down into 4 segments. So first of the month, we do mindset. So as soon as you log in, you have all these mindset trainings. There's challenges you can do. So there's audio, there's questions, there's ways that you can listen and take action immediately, right? So there's video. Let's come on to acting pro tips on the second Sunday of every month. So there's videos here where I'm actually teaching you how to do stuff like in real time. See that? In real time, I'm actually walking you through. So sometimes it's video, sometimes it's text. Sometimes we'll do live Q&As, right? The third Sunday of every month are your marketing tips. Again, look on this left-hand side. This is what you get as soon as you log in. As soon as you log in, you can dive in. And then every Sunday, things get updated. So all these marketing tips and ninja strategies that I actually use for my own career, marketing ideas, branding yourself, how to prep for your dream role, how to build your business as an actor, video strategies, how to build industry contacts. You guys ask me that all the time. So, and then we move on down to audition techniques on the 4th Sunday of every month. And I know that's huge for you because you want to book more TV and more film roles. I teach you about crafting your character, bioing. There's worksheets you can download and watch, right? This is stuff you can get in real time, download it immediately. And this is exclusive to my members, right? And so when you come over here, you're going to go to bookingmagnetacademy.com. And you're going to see this. Watch this video. Read the testimonials from actual students right now, and you are going to love it. Right now, there's a coupon code for June. Use my code June50 because come July 1st, the fee for the Booking Magnet Academy is going up to $27 a month. So you want to be able to lock in this $20 a month, but to make it sweeter, I am giving you half off your first month. So your first month, you get to test out all those trainings for only $10. Oh my gosh. What acting coach are you getting for $10? It makes no sense. And when you log in and get yourself registered for that first month, you're going to only pay $10 for the month, but then you're going to be locked in at $20 a month. But come June 1st, don't say I didn't tell you, it goes up to $27 a month. So I want to see you in here. Look at the testimonials from the other students. Get ready to get booked, because if you're ready to become a booking magnet, you are in the right place, and I can't wait to see you inside. Bye.